How to fix call lock history not showing on your Redmi Android device. So for that you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. So you have to try these quick fixes. First of all, you can just restart your phone or simple restart might resolve the issue. Here you can see that you can tap on your reboot or restart option to restart your Android device. Also, you can navigate to your phone app cache. Navigate to your setting, scroll down, go for your app option. Once you are on your app option, tap on the manage app and type the phone here. Once you are on your phone services, just go for the clear data and tap on the clear cache here. Also, you can check the call log permission. So here you have to navigate to the app permission and you have to allow the call log permission. Here you can see that you have to allow this permission. And if you are using your Google services, then you can ensure that this sync is on for the all call logs. You have to just go back to your setting, scroll down, go for the account and sync, and here you have to just go for your sync here. Just tap on the sync option. After successfully opening up your sync by using your Google account, if that also doesn't solve, you have to simply update your software. Just navigate to your about phone, go for your Yama UI version. If there is any update available, you can just go for the latest version. If none of this work, you can try off factory reset as a last option. After backupping your data, navigate to your setting, go for your about phone, go for the factory reset, and you have to erase all this data. So you have to just go and back up this, just go for the erase all that. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.